Okay, so I am the Australian Kanga and we're doing a review on the DJI Mini 4K drone. This is a 249 gram drone and I have purchased the Fly More kit. And you get your 3 batteries, you get extra blades, and you get extra cables, just USB-C to USB-C, or you got your old Android cable as well. I'm using iPhone. As you can see, this is 4K. It's got the rechargeable there as well, and the SD cards in there. Now, I had many DJI drones and I have never crashed one. However, I always recommend just pay the extra for the DJI care. So if anything does happen, it's only going to cost you a low amount for a replacement drone. Absolutely. For the first year, you get 2 replacements, and if there's a flyaway and it doesn't come back, you will get your drone replaced for basically a really cheap fee. So to turn on the drone, you got to press the button once and then hold it down, and everything will line up. And we're going to do a live screen recording on a fly around, just a quick one, just to test how it runs and all that. I've already flown this probably 2 times already, but I just wanted to make a video on showing the 4K. Okay, so we'll see you there.
Home point updated. Takeoff. Home point updated. Return to home. Landing.
Well, that is the test flight, so sorry if you didn't hear me through that flight. I actually don't know if it actually records voice, but that's the remote. You can get them with the screens. Now with the batteries, I have labeled my batteries 1, 2 and 3, just so I can get an even amount of uses on each battery. But other than that, it is a 249 gram drone, and it is solid and it's steady. Now, a lot of people ask about drones. What happens if you lose reception or you get disconnected or the battery on the controller goes flat? Don't panic. It will come back to where you have taken off from, providing the satellites have been connected and it says home point updated. So you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up because I love my DJI.